Whether you're a startup looking for venture capital, or you want to become a successful small business all on your own, there are a few basic but important components every business must have. This formula is used by high-growth businesses that need to be in place for any business to grow consistently. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss the 4 components every successful business must have. Number 1. Product. What makes a product worth buying is the reasonable prices and the ability to solve a specific problem. For a small business to grow and thrive, it has to be offering clear, even obvious products and services to its clients. Products that are superior to what is already in the market is an added advantage. This is what will help your brand stand out. If you're selling a service, your words are your biggest asset. Connecting with your customers using relatable language will help them like and trust you. Demonstrating a problem your customers and potential customers have is where this starts. The problem needs to have a complex enough level of difficulty that people struggle to solve, and you must look like the best person for the job. The whole world is a marketplace. Targeting specific needs are the easiest to focus on versus general problems. Number 2. Marketing. The world of business is very competitive, and you should be as well. Marketing strategy should be among your central focus. Know which steps you need to take to establish a strong presence for people to develop awareness about your brand. They need to include your target customers. Have a specific message about your products and services to showcase in the marketplace that's effective enough to intrigue customers and turn them into paying customers. Good marketing strategies and captivating messages gives your product solid traction in reaching the marketplace. Make your case highly convincing by showing the world that you already have customers lined up to buy from you. Here are a few things to keep in mind while evaluating your marketing performance. Are your prices competitive? Is your brand and messaging positioning you as an authority? Are your customers fully satisfied? And does your product leave them with the need to come back? Number 3. Money. A good financial plan is a projection of how well thought out the business plan is. It can also predict how well your venture stands the hardship of the lean months or even years. A startup doesn't earn profits right away, and it may take time for substantial returns to be seen. When it comes to financing your business, never rely on hope or vision. Make sure you're prepared, gather facts and make credible assumptions. For newer businesses, you must be prepared to run a business without making substantial cash inflow. This requires figuring out the period you can operate safely before you can make a substantial profit, and how much money you can afford to spend to keep your business surviving during lean times. It is highly recommended to use the profit-first method. The profit-first method requires businesses to deduct their profits from payments before expenses, instead of paying themselves with what is left over after expenses have been accounted for. It requires you to transfer predetermined percentages of your incoming funds into different accounts in order to cover profits, taxes, overhead costs, and your own compensation. Profits are automatically deducted from each sale, and whatever remains is used to cover expenses. The formula is sales minus profits equals expenses. Number 4. People. The 4th major area worthy of investment and often overlooked is you and your partners. There are endless business ideas roaming around out there, but it takes people to implement them. Your business partners can either make or break your business. Your people are some of the most important assets to your business. Having the right people who share your goals and have a vision that is aligned with your business is the final ingredient to a successful business venture. Customers buy from people, so you need to find people who can help in branding and building your business, who are ready to do whatever it takes to create a strong relationship with customers and nurture loyalty. Accompanied by the first 3 essential components, a passionate team that is willing to go the extra mile under all circumstances to make the customers happy and the business flourish is what will help you create, build and sustain a successful business. Ready to build your successful business model? Your next steps are building a brand that grows with more flow than hustle. Now you're ready to turn up the heat and start your business. Helping people provide a solid foundation for a more secure financial future. One video at a time. We appreciate you tuning in and hope to see you again soon. Hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to click on one of our other videos. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and do hit the bell icon on your way out. See you all next time on Top 5 Hive.